This is Jeff from the Watkins Tree Farm. How are you guys? Today we are going to clean up this old truck and we are going to finish up with the Vice Grip Garage Wipe On Clear Coat. In the meantime, I'm going to snap over to some footage that we did earlier in the week. There was a lot of prep work on this truck and the paint was powdery white. Paint isn't good in the first place, but we're trying to bring out the best of it, and I'm gonna roll that footage and let you guys see that. I even did a comet wash, and check that out. And we were even in a small little car show at my work picnic. So we'll show that, and then once we're all done with that, we'll get this going. I'm gonna mix this 800 milliliters to 100, and we'll start wiping down the truck. Well, as you guys can see, I did a comet wash on the truck. You just take a sponge, a little bit of comet, and you wash the truck. This is dry and it's already kind of polished look. It took all the powdery red off and kind of cleaned it up. So I am going to do this to the whole truck, and then once we do all that, we'll wipe it clear, get it clean, and then we'll do a wipe on clear coat and make this thing pop. Well, I think it's looking really good. I got to remember this is a 42-year-old truck, and anything will be better than nothing. But as you can see, the wet is what that clear coat's going to look like. I think it's going to look really well, guys. Just a lot of elbow grease, but I can stand that. Well, just got home from work and realized I didn't say anything about the Vortex picnic. It's our spring picnic, and they do a little car show every year, and I decided to enter the 82 Chevy, the square body, and it was kind of the motivation to get this truck kind of dolled up, put a little bit of lipstick on the old pig, and I think it looks great. There's a reason I put tire foam at work and not here, is that exact reason right there. All the dust sticks to that tire foam. But made it home. I don't know what place we got, but I don't care. If you saw in that video, my buddy Jake, his truck, that old Ford, and then Nick has a square body. That sucker has 800 horsepower. Anyway, we got the truck looking good. I checked the Vice Grip Garage order for the wipe on clear coat, and it's actually in this area right now, and it'll be delivered tomorrow. So I'm going to finish this video with me putting that clear coat on this truck, and we're going to see this thing pop, and then that'll be the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Not too bad. If you just go on there and start wiping it, that's not a good way to do it. So you go just wipe straight across, and it seems to work fine. It does run a little bit, and you kind of do see a little bit of a streaking, so you got to be careful with the streaks. But for the most part, I mean, this is a 42-year-old truck, and it's making the paint that I do have pop. So I think I'm meeting my goal. I got to realize what I'm dealing with. It ain't a if this was a brand new rig, I'd be pretty upset, but this paint looks pretty good with this clear coat, and I'm going to continue. Well guys, this was a fun video for me. A lot of work, a lot of shoulder work, wax on, wax off, one of those deals. And got to do the Clorox wash with it, never done that before. Got to take it to a car show over at Vortex. That was fun, never done that before. And I've always wanted to do this wipe on clear coat. Like I said earlier, it was probably, I'd give it a 6, 7 out of 10. It does run a little bit. There are streaks, just like when you paint with a brush, you get streaks. I used a foam pad. I saw in previous videos the pads that were included in the kit. The lint peeled off and went on to the paint. I've got cotton flying around, so I guess I should have just used those. Anyway, this was a fun video for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the meantime, you guys take care. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.